Our next topic is division of algebraic expression. Now question number 1 of exercise 14.3, monomial by monomial. Division of monomial by monomial. This is the first part. 28 x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x. So we'll write 28 into x into x into x into x upon 56 into x. We can use here laws of exponent also. 28 2s are 56. Now we have 1 upon 2 x cube. This is the result. Now one more example I'll take. Its third part. This is 66 p q square r square divided by 11 q r square. So we'll write 66 p into q r into r divided by 11 q into r into r. Now 11 6 are 66. This q will cancel with this and these two are also. Now what is left? 6 p and q. So the result is 6 pq. Next topic is division of polynomial by the given monomial. Now this is 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. One binomial is given to you and you have to divide it by monomial. Now first thing we have to check what is common in these two. X is common. So 5x minus 6 divided by 3x. 5x minus 6 upon 3x. This x will cancel with this. So the result will be 5x minus 6 upon 3. Next question is 8 within the bracket x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divided by 4 x square y square z square. Now just check in all the three terms, x square, y square and z square. This is common in all these three terms. Now what is left? X, because we have taken x square common. So out of these three we have taken 2 common, so 1 is left. Same way, out of these 3 y is left, x square y square we have already taken out, and z cube z square we have taken, so z is left. Divided by 4 x square y square z square. Now we'll write x plus y plus z divided by 4 x square y square z square. These three will cancel. So the answer is 2x plus y plus z. Now question number 3, first part. This is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Now just check, in both the term 5 is common. So it will be 2x and at the place of 25 5 will be there. Now 5 into 2x minus 5 divided by 5. Now the result is 2x minus 5. Now fourth part of the same question, 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. Now 9x square y square. In this bracket 3 is common. We'll take 3 common. Z minus 8. We'll get z minus 8 divided by 27 xy z minus 8. Now 9x square y square into 3 into z minus 8 upon 27 xy z minus 8. xy means x multiplied by y. Now 9 3s are 27 into x into y into y into z minus 8 upon 27 x into y z minus 8. Z minus 8 with cancel with z minus 8, y with y, x with x, 27 with 27. Now 1x and 1y is left. So the result is xy. So complete question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 14.3. Thank you and have a nice day.